Alright, my man. Here, have a seat there.
No! No! No!
You have to get your hair cut, ma'am. Okay?
No!
Yes.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
No! What?
Ay!
Ma'am.
Why you turn? And why
Ay!
you just run?
Come here. Will you stop it?
Stop it!
Will you please get up and cut his hair?
Come here, man. Stop it. Ugh.
Get up and cut his hair. We shouldn't be seeing feet in the air. Come on.
I'm trying to cut it.
You're not trying to cut it. You're letting him win.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna do it for real.
No!
Look, think about it this way. You're on camera. No, come on, man.
That's him. That's not the Holy Spirit this time.
Come on, Prince. You need who?
You need Betty.
Who is that?
That's his mom. That's his nana. I need Betty. That's what he said.
No. You know better than call him none of that.
Alright. Let's do it.
No. Ever. Look.
No!
Yes, it's a toy.
There you go.
No!
There you go, my man.
Yes.
There you go.
Oh.
Okay. There you go. Alright, we got that.